Hello and thanks for checking out ChartGuys.com. We're proud to be one of the most successful technical analysis communities online, teaching you the skills to become a more confident, effective, and informed trader. Join our community of hundreds of analysts worldwide working together to learn the charts, generate profit, and achieve financial independence. Sign up for a 1-week free trial, no credit card required, for access to daily live chart analysis and market coverage, a thriving chat community, along with dozens of hours of exclusive educational materials. We look forward to seeing you. Let's check out some charts. Checking in on natural gas. So the bulls saw a volume climax, trying to turn things around and trying to shift momentum. They have still yet to follow through, as we did not confirm the bullish reversal candlestick that had such high volume. Couldn't confirm it the following week. The bulls still have chance here to form a higher low and then a higher high. We'll see that on the daily time frame, but this weekly time frame is still favoring the bears. We'll be watching this potential bullish MACD cross, but the daily time frame is going to have to form this higher low and higher high. Right now our base is 2856 for that higher low attempt, but we could not confirm this reversal candlestick on the daily nor the weekly. So we do have the higher low attempting, but we have to get over 3018 to see the trend shift and for the bulls to start to regain some momentum. If and when we finally break 3114, that is a very key resistance break that should see a quick move to the upside. That's a bullish signal because of the lack of resistance until we get up to around the 325 mark. And there's some price history in the 325 level. There's very little price history between 3114 and getting up to that level. Just looking at the most recent past, of course, with this dump that occurred back in May at this point. So watching very close to see if the bulls can pull off this higher low, break the lower high pattern, and see the trend change. Otherwise, the bears remain in control. If we start next week and break this 2856 level, we know that there is very little support until the low we've seen on this dump at 2753. 4-hour time frame to get a little bit more detail. We can see that since that bull move, we only had one 4-hour bull candlestick with very little follow through. So we have to see the trend continue strong like we saw here on this start of the trend change attempt. But since then, we haven't really seen any momentum going forward. UNG on the daily time frame shows the higher low forming, attempting to form at 641. Resistance to break is 672. And then after 672, we would be looking up at 695. But until that happens, we are still seeing weakness. It is a potential. The psychology is there of a cup and handle pattern. Not the exact definition because the right side of the cup did break the left side by a small fraction, about a penny. But it is a rejection from resistance, consolidation, which would be the handle, and then if we had a breakout week, that would confirm this little cup and handle pattern, but not going to put too much weight into that. Have to see the shorter term 4-hour time frame give some follow through and some indication that the bulls are showing up. Weekly time frame, again, the inability to confirm this reversal candlestick, which was the most bullish weekly candlestick that we had seen in months. The fact that the bulls could not pull that off and see a bull MACD cross is definitely a setback. So if we do not get a break of our recent high, the bears remain in full control. So where we currently stand, I personally would not be comfortable making a bullish entry just yet. I would either be making a bullish entry on this 672 level or waiting for natural gas to get this clear break of the daily resistance with all those levels up at 3114. So that's what we've got heading into next week. We'll continue to check back in. I appreciate you watching. Have a great rest of your weekend.